Hi everyone, my name is Orsi aka Rocky and welcome to Phoenix Vocal Studio. Today I'm going to talk about Morissette Almond and the song is called Phoenix. I know that you guys been asking for a long time, but to be honest, I don't mind actually. I waited because I just saw that there was a live version uploaded a week ago, so I prefer live version as you know. Let's listen and I'm gonna talk after that.
Wish 1075.
Fighting every day doesn't feel like living. So much on my plate, so much on my mind. Trying to numb the pain, none of it is working. Don't wanna dig this grave while I'm alive. There's a hope that comes with the morning. There's a chance to start over again. Just as long as our hearts keep on beating, there's still time left to win. So let's shine like the sun, rise like a phoenix, take to the sky, 'cause we got no limits. Don't be afraid to reach for the stars, 'cause we were made to go that far.
Okay, all right. It's a beautiful start, actually, the way she did it. Again, just the way she kind of opened the song. Very light, very gentle, playing with mixed voice and falsetto. Very beautiful. Technically, obviously, she's gorgeous, as always. I love the smile and the way she actually hits those high notes. Again, it's just so effortless, like it would be the most natural thing on earth. And every time she sings, I can tell that she 100% can relate with the song. Phoenix is, yeah, it's actually the reason why it's my vocal studio called Phoenix, because Phoenix is also a symbol that it's very close to my heart, and it follows me my whole life. Obviously, Phoenix is about immortality, rising up. Sometimes we go down, but we always, stand up. That's the point. And I really like the symbol of Phoenix. And obviously, I can tell that this song is about that as well. Doesn't matter how much it hurts, what happens. We need to rise up like a phoenix. All right, let's keep going.
So much now has changed, finding no perspective. Life needs a fate, but we'll be worth the ride, and we will come away, crossing through the valleys. So wanna be afraid to be alive. There's hope that comes with the morning. There's a chance to start over again, just as long as our hearts keep on beating. There's no time left to win. So let's shine like the sun, rise like a phoenix, take to the sky, 'cause we got no limits. Don't be afraid to reach for the stars, 'cause we were made to go that far. There's a hope that comes with the moon. There's a chance to start over again, just as long as our hearts keep on beating. There's still time left to win. Shine like the sun, rise like a phoenix, take to the sky, 'cause we got no limits. Don't be afraid to reach for the
Oh, she's so cute. Actually, I really like her. I think I like the song says like there is no limit, and I think she's one of the living proof that there are no limits, because she's just more and more sound, more voice, more color, more. It's just coming flying out of her. This song is obviously, it's kind of a marching song, so it's a motivation, inspirational song for people who need some help, even just to support that yes, we can do it, whatever happens doesn't matter, we need to just carry on, and that's the point. That's obviously the message of the song, which is very important when we in our lives, because many times we think that the bad thing happens and that's it, we're done, but it's not the case. It's never the case. It's I think we need more songs like this. And again, the way she plays with her voice on the higher notes at the end of the song, it's very, very good dynamically as well in the song, that she just raises and raises and raises and raises the pressure, I would say, and it's a very, I would say I could use this for my workout, like when I actually go for a run. That really helps me to push forward, because we need that. We need songs like this, especially at times like this, obviously. But to be honest with you, again, I listened to the original version, like the recorded versions, but I haven't listened the live one. And in the recorded version, I have to tell you that honestly that I wasn't so impressed, because anytime I listen her, I am just like, I'm blown away. But the thing is not because of her, it's because of the song. I mean, the song is great, the song is good. I wouldn't say it's great, it's a good song, good lyrics, but still I would say it's a bit commercial. And that's why I'm very happy what I heard here on this live version, because she added so much more. We know exactly how deep she can go, how deep she can touch us. And if someone has the ability to actually touch us like this, commercial songs are not for them. You know, she has everything: the voice, the story, the background, the emotions, the heart, everything. She doesn't need commercial songs. So I would say that obviously the reason why I wasn't so impressed by the song is not because of her, it's because simply the song, to me it was a bit too cliche. But here live, that was different. That was so different, and I was very happy that she added more. She put more in there, and I'm pretty sure that that's what she does in live. So she's vocally absolutely excellent. She went up beautifully with that mixed voice, mixed belting mixture, I would say. She sings very well around the bridge, which is very hard. The bridge is that where you change, the passaggio between the two registers, where you change registers. That's the bridge. And she sings around there many times excellently, which is very, it's not so easy. It's easy to sing above and below, but not on the bridge. And so she needs actually, obviously, to work on that bridge area. You need a lot of support at first, until you kind of bridge over that gap between the two registers. So again, falsetto, mixed voice belting, she uses this beautifully, and with a smile. She's enjoying every single moment, every single second, every word. She means it, and it's absolutely coming through, as always. So I don't know what else I can say about it. Like I said, technically, vocally, emotionally, it was there. It was all there, and as always, it's a very, very beautiful job what she does. Okay, so thank you very much for recommending this song, and I hope actually you enjoyed the video and understand more about the background of this song, the technique and stuff like that. Obviously, I teach all these techniques at Phoenix Focus Studio. If you're interested in lessons or consultations, you can find the link below the video. Feel free to book anytime when you're ready. And if you have more ideas, please hit me with new songs, singers, and I'm happy to analyze more and more what you would like to hear. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah! If you are someone who has no chance to take one-to-one lessons for any reasons, you can join our membership site where you can get a lifetime access for audio, video exercises, instructions, explanations. And not only the exercises, you can find the audio files which you can use every single day till the rest of your life. You can ask as many questions as you want from me, from your vocal coach, about any technique, any song, any band, any singer. You find the link below the video, so you can start your training even today. Thank you very much and see you soon.